Hey everyone! Today I'll be giving a quick overview of NotebookLM, Google's latest AI-powered tool that can help you with research, learning, and note-taking. Built with Gemini 2.0, NotebookLM helps you summarize large expansive topics by referencing and grounding the information with your resources, and outputs a full AI podcast on all the data. You'll be prompted to upload files and resources as soon as you start a new notebook. Notice that you can not only upload files from your drive and computer, but can also upload resources like publicly available websites and YouTube videos. Note that YouTube videos will only work if they have transcripts available. You have a resource limit of 50 sources, which is quite a bit. As you upload files, you can use NotebookLM to quickly create a study guide, briefing doc, FAQ, and timeline of all the information. Or you can use the chat to ask questions, with all the answers being sourced directly from the data you provide. Not only that, but in the top right-hand corner, you can also activate the audio overview, an AI podcast that gets created, framed as a conversation between a man and a woman talking about the main topics of your resources. Here's a sample from my Designing Effective Learning notebook.
Welcome to our deep dive into the world of training and development.
Yeah.
Today, we're going beyond the typical how-to guides. We're diving into ASTD handbooks and design thinking for training and development to understand not just the methods, but the why behind their importance.
Okay.
Think of this as your shortcut to becoming a training and development guru.
All right, I like it.
So let's jump right in.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to have you here.
Yeah, me too.
Try the interactive mode as well and join the conversation. NotebookLM is a revolutionary tool for learning, and you can look out for more updates in the future, like recently, NotebookLM Plus, giving enterprise data protection for businesses, schools, and organizations, and allowing up to 300 sources in a notebook.